Work. We spend most of our waking hours working.
To some, work is just a job.
But to most, work matters. It matters because it helps establish our identities.
It provides for our families, and it has a direct impact on our communities.
That's why we're passionate about what we do.
At Wilson McCoy, we handle work matters.
Because your work matters.
Practice of employment law means to me the opportunity to help someone at a very difficult time in their life, typically when they've lost a job through some alleged act of discrimination or injustice. If we're defending a company, it's our goal to help them to make sure they're in compliance with laws, rules, and regulations to avoid claims.
Being able to apply our knowledge and legal skills to help somebody is rewarding because it allows us to not only help them, but also their families.
As a firm which represents employees, employers, and unions, Wilson McCoy is unique among employment and labor law firms.
We don't just practice employment law. Employment law is our practice. When a client comes to us, they don't just hire the attorney, they hire all of our attorneys and our staff.
By representing employees, employers, and unions, it gives us perspective that some other firms may not have. By seeing a case from all angles, it helps us formulate a strategy that's going to be most successful.
Being in Central Florida, we have a diverse, multicultural population. Regardless of language spoken, one thing is universal: work matters to us all.
Wilson McCoy está disponible para ayudar a las personas y las empresas que hablan español con sus asuntos laborales.
Whether it's representing an individual in a discrimination claim, a business in non-compete litigation, or a union in contract negotiations.
Developing a firm understanding of our client's work matter is key to our legal representation. When you represent an individual, you have to get to know them, to develop a rapport with a client. The only way to do that is to get to know them as a person, to know their family, and of course, know their job.
With our business clients, we meet with key management personnel. From there, we look at their policies and procedures to make sure they're in compliance with wage and hour laws and discrimination laws.
At Wilson McCoy, we take a comprehensive approach and analysis to each of our cases.
That means, with each case, we investigate, educate, negotiate, and when necessary, litigate.
We strive to the best of our God-given talents and abilities to achieve a result for which our clients are pleased.
We're not scared of difficult cases. We enjoy the challenge. We fight hard for our clients, and we exhaust every possible resource to get them a favorable outcome.
We recognize the uniqueness of each matter and represent each of our clients with pride and compassion.
Having compassion for our clients is key to representation. It allows us to empathize with them, to understand their situation. And for some people, they want money. Others, they want justice. And knowing what it is that's going to help them is key to representation.
At Wilson McCoy, we try to stand in our clients' shoes. By doing so, we're able to illustrate the compassion necessary to achieve the result that they are seeking.
There's no secret formula to what we do.
Just simple, hard work.
Dedication and passion for our clients' work matters.
Your work matters not only to you, your work matters to us.